There are significant differences between wealth, money, and your position in the social hierarchy. Out of the three, wealth is the one you should aim for. The primary reason most people aspire to build wealth in life is freedom. However, even freedom has multiple forms. Today, we will explore the concept of wealth as a facilitator of different types of freedom in life. Money and wealth are very different. Money is what you earn in exchange for your time and work, while wealth is the fortune that grows outside of your direct input. Wealth is making money while you sleep. Wealth continues to grow even if you decide to take a sick day, which is not necessarily the case with money. Even if you earn a lot of money, you can still encounter financial problems. The most straightforward type of freedom that wealth solves is freedom from financial issues. The debate on whether money can buy happiness is ongoing, but one thing is certain: lack of money will definitely make you unhappy. Much of our unhappiness stems from our inability to live comfortably and without stress. Most people will work several jobs for 40 to 50 years, hoping that what they have managed to acquire during these years will be enough to sustain them until the end of their lives. However, many struggle financially until the very end, often passing their debts onto their children. Wealth solves that problem, as long as it is managed wisely. The house you live in is not an asset if it requires you to work to pay the mortgage or utilities. When you rent it out, transforming it from a liability into an asset, wealth is created. Wealth is composed of value-generating assets. The notion of escaping financial problems through money-generating assets is nothing new. Each generation has its own version of wealth-building strategies. In the past, owning livestock was a measure of wealth because they provided food and could be sold. The fundamental financial concerns are food and shelter. A person becomes free once their income from wealth covers these basic needs. Then, you can expand your wealth to provide for your entire family and ensure a predictable future. It is difficult for a person to focus on their mental state if their children are hungry. The purpose of wealth is to free the individual from financial concerns. Once food and bills are taken care of, and the future feels secure, you have a fighting chance for a better life. Next, we have the freedom to try and fail. Wealth is determined by how many times you can afford to fail and still be fine. It is a luxury combined with timing, money, and mental fortitude. If you are 23 years old with minimal expenses, you can start and fail multiple times. However, if you are 40 years old with a family to support, quitting your job to work on a startup without pay for years is likely not feasible. This is one of the advantages of being born into a wealthy family. People often dislike the children of the rich because they are perceived as undeserving of their privileges. However, deep down, we all wish for our children to have the best possible opportunities to maximize their potential. Wealth allows you the luxury of being able to fail, regardless of who you are. Maybe you spent the first decade of your life building a company and your wealth. If painting or filmmaking has always been your passion, you can pursue it without financial worries if you have built wealth first. A wise saying by Sir Mala suggests, if you want to be a philosopher king, first become a king and then a philosopher, not the other way around. Wealth provides a safety net that allows you to explore interests and passions. We are complex creatures, often forced by circumstances into narrow roles for the sake of efficiency and productivity. Wealth gives you the freedom to explore and understand yourself and the world you are shaping. Society often pressures you to decide what you want to be from an early age. Many people live lives they did not choose for themselves. Most do not know what they truly enjoy because they cannot afford the luxury of finding out. To discover your passions, you must try many things and choose what interests you the most. Interests can evolve over time, and wealth allows you to explore new passions as you grow. The freedom to pursue passions is fascinating because it is not driven by monetary gain. Most people do not go fishing to make money. They do it because it brings joy. Passions require time and money. Wealth creates time for the things you want to do, not just what you have to do. True wealth is being able to choose where your time goes. Although passions are not essential for survival, they are necessary for a well-lived life. Moving on, we have freedom from societal expectations. There's a voice in your head influenced by societal norms, urging you to fit in and conform. Wealth allows you to distance yourself from this voice, to be free from societal pressures and expectations. True wealth means being at peace with your mind and not feeling the need to impress others. It allows you to be content with who you are and change what you are not happy with. We are not puzzle pieces meant to fit into specific gaps for someone else's picture. We are more like colors filling a canvas, and wealth allows you to paint your own picture. Beyond freedom, wealth provides security. Physical security is the most obvious, allowing you to afford the best medical care and a safe environment for your family. Wealthy individuals can move their families out of unsafe areas, ensuring their physical well-being. Next is security from poverty. Wealth ensures that you and your loved ones never have to worry about basic needs like food, shelter, and bills. This is why building wealth is crucial. A well-paying job does not provide true financial security. Only wealth generated from assets that grow independently of your input can do that. Diversifying your income streams ensures that you are protected from financial downturns and unexpected events. A black swan event, like the pandemic, can have devastating effects. Wealth gives you the advantage of weathering such events, and in some cases, even benefiting from them. While others panic, the wealthy can seize opportunities. Wealth also provides social security, shielding you from discrimination and societal biases. Success, fame, and wealth level the playing field, allowing you to rise above societal constraints. Ultimately, the purpose of wealth is to facilitate a legacy. We all want to leave something meaningful behind. A legacy is created through the impact you have on others, through the value you add to the world. It is not something you set out to build, but a result of your actions and contributions. Your legacy is written every day, through the choices you make and the paths you create. Wealth serves multiple purposes: freedom, security, comfort, progress, and legacy. It allows you to live a life of choice, to explore and pursue passions, to ensure your family's well-being, and to leave a lasting impact on the world. Use your wealth wisely, not just for personal gain, but to make a positive difference in your community and beyond. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to Coco Finance. Let us know in the comments how you plan to build and use your wealth. Remember, your journey towards wealth starts with the choices you make today.